You watch a video and you make money. You watch another video from another place and you make more money. Best of all is you can watch from your smartphone or a tablet or even on a desktop. The more you watch, the more you earn. All you have to do is just go to... First, a disclaimer. Results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. But if you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. So make sure you stick till the end and watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is my imtips. It is related to internet marketing, making money online and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real, long-term, sustainable online business, I highly suggest you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below as soon as we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can earn some easy money online by simply watching videos. Let's go! Okay guys, the first opportunity is we can go to a site like Rapidworkers.com, which is actually for a lot of other micro tasks as well, so you might want to get involved in those kind of micro tasks. But what we are interested in here is actually to making money by simply watching videos. And if I just type video, you can see that there is a lot of opportunities here, even watching YouTube videos, other videos as well. And of course you can see that there are different rates here. So it's definitely, as I said, you earn some extra money with this here. But it's a great way and it doesn't cost you anything to watch a video. There is a similar site like Microworkers. You can do the similar tasks here as well. You can just go to the section where it says video and music. But also if you are interested in doing micro tasks, you can see here that there is 755 jobs available as I'm recording this video. So definitely another site that is worth to have a look at. Alright, here is another site. Unfortunately, when I'm recording this video, it is not available, but I think it's still worth to mention because it might be available when you watch this video, and that is Bitcointube.com. And you can see here if I scroll down that there is over 136,000 users. There are over 27,000 videos available. And look at this, you can earn up to $210 per video for 60 seconds. Isn't this cool? So definitely worth to have a look at it. I'm not gonna bore you here with some details. There are payment proofs. You can have a quick look right here if I open it up in a new tab. And as I said, all you have to do is just check in here from time to time to see if it is available. If it is, definitely worth to sign in and get started to earn money by simply watching videos. Let's move on with another very popular site, and that is inboxdollars.com. And you can see here you watch videos, you earn rewards, you make money for watching videos and sponsored content. And by just signing up here, you get actually free $5. And if I scroll down, you can see that they have paid over 59 million in cash. So definitely worth to have a look at inboxdollars.com. Here they do explain on how everything works, but I'm not going to bore you with that. I think you can just go sign up to this site and get started. Here's another similar site, and that is Ireso.com. They have paid over $110 million in cash, and you can see here one of the opportunities that you can make money with this site is watching videos. Now, of course, you can also get paid for taking surveys, completing offers, playing games and other things here. But we are interested in watching videos here. So you can see you watch entertaining videos and earn easy points. Ireso TV allows you to earn Ireso points for each video that you watch. You can see that this site is very popular, has been seen on CNN, Yahoo, the Wall Street Journal and other sites also. Here's another site that I did a separate video on. If you are interested, you can actually go ahead and watch that video, but I think it's straightforward to go to grabpoints.com and you can see that they do have an opportunity to watch videos. So advertisers pay here, grab points, they recruit members like you, and you do online activities as watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, and more. Of course, you earn free gift cards or PayPal cash if you prefer that. Here's another site with some different opportunities, and that is you can actually get paid to post on TikTok. So you can record a TikTok video, post on it, and make money with it. You can view funny slideshows, playing games, installing apps, complete captchas, post on Instagram also. So I think that there is some different opportunities on this site, and that is timebucks.com. They have daily bonuses. You can get started to earn instantly. And this is something I usually say on this kind of videos, is that focus on the referral program, because you can earn some passive money. And I'm going to show you here real soon on how to do that if you haven't watched any of my previous videos. So what you can do is actually go to Facebook, you type for Make Money Online, you sort it out by groups, and you can see that there are some groups with a lot of members online here. So what you can do is post here, but you have to do it in a very specific way, in my opinion, and that is you are going to type something like this: who wants to earn, for example, $210 per YouTube video they watch? Okay, I forgot to say video they watch, and type watch below and I'll private message you. So this is a much better way instead of just posting your link, because first you won't risk to have your account banned, and secondly you probably will have more engagement and people who are really interested in actually making money by simply watching videos. For you it is a benefit because you are going to get referrals, and of course you're going to make passive money online there. Now all these opportunities I share with you is a great way to make some extra money online. But if you want to learn how to create a full-time passive income online, like making money while you sleep, or while you're out and shopping, or how about making money while you're on vacation, being able to spend time with your family, your friends. If you're tired of your 9-to-5 job, feeling stressed, overwhelmed, having a boss yelling at you, if you want to make a change and have financial freedom and start to live the life on your terms, then you need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels, hit the notification bell, and make sure you watch the other video recommendation that you're going to see at the end screen here. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.